Cash Express legend, Choy died. And I just got the whistle of the train, and okay, I have a minor train and the gold train, and I do have $10 up there. It's only a penny denom. Gold train will be a repeat of this, but it'll also be a repeat of whatever we earn on this mini train. So that might be good, actually. Keep going, Minnie. Huh. Okay, so that gets applied there. And there, I believe. Yes. Oh, add it. Oh, it replaced it. Oh, that's okay. It's better than 10. Nice. Oh, okay. Okay.
A 7.
What do you mean a 7?
7 cars.
Oh, I didn't count them. Hey, I'll take that. That's pretty darn good. Thank you.